Like and subscribe. Stay awesome. I made this bed for my grandson. I love working with wood, it's peaceful. My grandson will be so surprised. Now for the ladder. This part took longer than I expected. I wanted to be strong and safe for him. Let's see if everything fits as planned. This is the tricky part. Hope I measured this part right. One part down, a few more to go. Let's add some color to this space. Wallpaper makes such a big difference. Trying to line it up perfectly. Almost there. Looking good. My grandson's gonna love this wall. This bed was made with love for my grandson. If you believe in building with love too, like the video and subscribe to join me next time.